So I see Tommy right here, my cat, and I feel like there's a bird right there, and I keep seeing a bird that is red. Tommy, I feel like I see a bird. It's like I feel like I saw a bird. Okay, I think he's okay. Never mind. Well, I'm hearing bird sounds, so like hearing chirps right here. Is there anything there? Tommy. God, your head is shaking like it's like that. Oh God. Where are you hiding? I'm afraid that's a bird. What? Oh, that's Tommy's tail. I mean. Okay, now I think that now I know that's a bird. That's a bird. What's that? I don't know if you guys can see it, but I think I see the bird. Tommy, is there a bird there? Do you guys see a bird? I don't see a bird. Oh no! Oh, I heard the chirping over there. I saw Tommy right there. He ran all the way over there, and then came all the way over there. I'm sweating. It's hot outside, and I don't even have a shirt. Tommy. Is there a bird there, Tommy? Yeah. Oh my God. He said yes. Oh God. He said yeah. I don't know why, but for some reason, I know what cats say. Sometimes. Well, I don't know what they say, but like I know like what it means. If you're like yeah, like that. Oh God, 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 oh God. Oh, what over there? God, I'm sweating hot right now. I feel like something over there. Dude, I feel like I heard a bird. Is the bird into the car? Tommy, that's a weird face you're doing, and I don't like it. Did Tommy eat the bird? Tommy, did you eat the bird? Oh, there is a bird. I didn't know there's a bird. Look, see the bird? Tommy. Okay, now I got him. I'm tangled. I'm tangled. This tangled me, and I don't like it. It's freaking hot out. Set it. Oh God! Oh, there it is. Oh, Tommy stepped on the freaking bird. Yo, this bird, it's still alive. Just blink. Tommy. Oh God, your his little bird, his mouth is right wide open. He should go one way. Huh? Oh God. Oh God. Okay, everyone has to get away. They got away. I can't go over though. Okay, I can see from here though. I can see from here. I'm sweating. Did they leave? Oh, dang! Yeah. Tommy has the bird in his mouth right now. Tommy. He's itching. I don't have sandals. No. I'm sweating so much. Like there's like actually never mind. Okay, Tommy went inside of there. Oh, there's something. Never mind. Okay, there's the little bird, still breathing. See it moving. Oh God. He's gonna run to me. Tommy, touch it. Gee, I think we know it's alive because it's breathing. Tommy, you're leaving? Okay, bye. Why go to the car? Oh, never mind. I'm just kidding. I was looking if the bird can walk. It was a good while. Well. I'll leave it there. Tommy's gonna just. Tommy's a hunter. Oh God, look at his mouth. Tommy's mouth is wide open. Tommy, say cheese. Bird. Okay. I thought that would work. Tommy, there's a bird right there. What, eat it? If you want to eat it, open your mouth. Well, guess not. You're gonna be okay with a bird. He didn't open his mouth. I feel so. I'm scared. There's fur right there. We need help. Okay, you're still okay. You're still not gonna attack me. I hear you breathing, Tommy. I hear. Oh God. Okay, bye. Oh no. Okay, it's gonna move. Okay, bye, Tommy. Little bird. He's actually going away. Or just staying. Tommy's opening his mouth all the time. Tommy, look at me. See that? Oh, never mind. Oh, Tommy. Little bird. Is there anything to touch it with? Or like a stick? Something. I know. Oh, actually, I don't know. Tommy, you better look at it. So, oh God. Okay, we're in the shade. There's Tommy. The bird's right there. And I'm afraid to touch it because I don't want to disturb it, so I'm not gonna sick. Aha! Got it. Tommy, come. Oh God, she scared me. Tommy woke up. He woke up. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna touch it no more. I'm just gonna look at it. I'm shaky now. Tommy, you gonna touch the bird? Oh God, I don't know why I put it right there. Bird. I'm gonna stop touching the bird because I think I'm bothering the bird. So I'm just gonna leave it alone. So I'm gonna just leave it alone right there. Tommy. I'm still looking at him. Never mind. I just heard a bird like, and they're like, never mind. They might attack me. And I wasn't gonna do that. I'll hurt the bird. Oh man, Tommy. You okay now? Are you okay? Where are you going? Okay, bye. I'm sorry for touching you. The stick. I don't know where to go. Oh, it's right there. I don't know what to do with you. I'm gonna end the video. Oh God. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna end the video right. I'm gonna end the video right here. Okay. Bye. Da 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 da. Ah! Look at how it hops. It hops. Da 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 da. I'm not going over there. I can't go over there. Well, I can go. Oh, actually, kind of could. Did you? Oh, it just jumped inside of that. It actually just jumped inside of the sewers. Did it actually just jump in it? Did it actually jump inside it? Or did it go somewhere else? You know, I'm gonna go. Bye, Tommy. I don't want to go. I'm back. I just watched them through the door. This piece right there. I don't want to go there. Oh, it's so warm in here. It's actually cold now. Oh, fresh air. Fresh air. Fresh air. Peace. See you guys next time. Bye.